Hello, my name is Amin, and I'm CEO and founder of AC Electric. Since 2001, I've strived for the best customer service experience we can offer. In 2013, I will be configuring a series of helpful videos to inform you, our potential and current customers, on standard electrical practices, procedures, and selections. Today we're focusing on generators. Since 2001, I pursued the generator industry for offering generators to residential customers. I envisioned potential problems after reading the current state at that time of the electrical distribution equipment for the Northeast United States, along with the high electrical demands in today's age. Unfortunately, I ended my search since all the generator companies I encountered did not sell directly to an electrical contractor, and the electrical supply houses or home improvement shops did not carry them. Nevertheless, in 2003, my prediction came true, and we had the blackout that a lot of us experienced. Even though this outage spawned a potential for the sales and installation of generators, I didn't pursue that path until 2012. My major focus during the time was light efficacy, which was actually the first step in relieving stress on the grid. In 2012, Briggs & Stratton contacted me to see if I wanted to become a dealer and installer of their residential generators. I'm an optimist, so I said sure. I received a lot of information, but the truth was my focus was somewhere else once again. Until my first phone call was received, an hour that I wasn't expecting it, and unfortunately, I started to stutter. You see, I'm an electrical contractor, not a car dealer. Essentially, that is what a generator is, a parked car that runs electricity to your home instead of the CD player. Lucky for me, that customer, which I will only name Tom, had a great deal of patience with me. The installation was not the issue. That part, I can say, is my specialty. It was the customer service, product selection, and the sales part of the deal, which was new to me. How can I sell this car to the right person, which meets their goals? How can I excel in the customer service of the product and not feel like a car salesman? I'm sorry to all the car salesmen out there, but you are not ranked in the top of the customer service list. So I answer the question in three ways. We'll start off with the car salesman question. I'm not a car salesman. In fact, I'm a terrible salesperson. I'll tell you what you need to know, whether you like it or not. Clarity in your decision means we both reach our expectations. Our customer service is provided from the moment we start the process of the sales and lasts until you turn me away. That means that after I offer you the proposal, only two things can happen. A, you tell me that it's been a pleasure and that you're going with someone else. At that point, we part ways. Or B, you sign the proposal and you pay for the installation of the generator and for me to be in your life for the next 4 years. Even if you don't purchase a maintenance agreement with AC Electric, which the first year is on us, I personally will call you to ensure the generator is working as you expected. The third question is the purpose of this video, the selection process. There are various sizes out there, not to mention companies, and many accessories and many installation variances. If you've been bombarded with 7, 10, 12, 15, 16, 20, 30, 45 kW units, brand names like Briggs & Stratton, Generac, Kohler, types like liquid cooled versus air cooled, etc. There's no wonder you haven't made a decision to buy a generator yet. Let me make this simple for you. There are a few simple steps you can go about to make the selection. Warranty, budget, why do you need a generator, and what's important to you in an outage. We'll cover the warranty first. They all offer from 3, 4 to 5 year warranty. From each of the brands you're looking for, read them carefully. Don't just buy the 5-year warranty and it doesn't cover what you need. Strength in the market, that is very important, and it should be to you. People who bought the car, the DeLorean, if you remember the movie Back to the Future, are stuck with that car without parts because they went out of business. So if you have to warranty something, how are you going to warranty if the business is no longer around? Now you're going to have to start paying aftermarket prices from a different generator company. So what I suggest to you, go into Wikipedia and find out for yourself and compare the history. In fact, that is the reason I decided to go with Briggs & Stratton. very financially stable, and they know their motors. Before we get to the right generator for you, you have to know your budget. An installation can range from $6,000 to $10,000. You might want to get with a company that finances if you decide to go that route. And yes, AC Electric provides financing to qualified buyers. 0% APR, 48 months. Call for details. The price and the sizing of the generator is the simplest thing. As I tell my customers, do you want more equipment for your money or more labor for the same amount? Everyone says they prefer more equipment over labor. You can't keep the labor. Therefore, the trick to using a 7, 10, or 12 kW units are out the window. You're going to pay more for labor to get those units installed with the accessories needed to offer the comfort you're looking for. Once again, it all depends on what you want and why. The second question is, do you want the ability to power up everything in your house without the worries of overloading the unit and price is no object? Normally the answer is no. That phases out the 30 and 45 kW units. You're left with the 15, 16, and 20 kW units, just 3 units. Here we have the 15 kW unit by Briggs & Stratton. Here we have the 16 and 20 kW unit by Briggs & Stratton as well. The 16 and 20 come with the same housing. They look the same, just different internal parts. Now, how do I explain the decision with 3? Again, it's simple. If you don't have heavy appliance loads, such as an electric range and a central air conditioning unit, then a 15 kW unit will be good enough for you. If you have one air conditioning unit, but a small to mid-size home, then an extra 1,000 watts going to the 16 kW will be a better fit for you. The automatic transfer switch will ensure you don't overload your system. If you have a mid-size to larger home with an air conditioning and or an electric range, then a 20 kW will be your best bet. Once again, the automatic transfer switch will help you not overload the system. That's it. No major mathematical calculations involved. Call me and I go into more detail. The only factor that we can't really explain on this video is the cost. We need to look at the materials and labor required for the installation. AC Electric has been around for over 14 years now. We have over 450 customers and references upon request. We service the Northeast Ohio region, and we would like to make you one of its many satisfied customers. Call us if you have an electrical issue you need answered. I will always be waiting for your phone call, or visit us at www.acelectricohio.com. Thank you for listening.